Ma'am, you are the part of the I Am Sorry
Yes.
theatre. So, what do you like to say? How was your experience been?
So I have been with Irinu sir's drama for the last 4 years, and as of now, honestly, to bring me the first time to bring me on the Konkani stage, on the commercial theatre stage, was Mr. Irinu Gonsalves back 4 years back for Goinche Fudari. So the experience as of now was very good. I had a lot to learn. I still have a lot to learn, but he was the one who made me an actor. Actually, I had put my step onto the Konkani stage only as a singer, but because of him, I have also gone into acting. So the experience has been very good, and new theatre I Am Sorry is coming out, as you all know. This is also something different. We have some amazing singers like Miss Hema Sardesai and Ola. We have an amazing cast. We have Pradeep Naik, we have Pascual Rodriguez, we have Aplon, we have Aloma, we have Mr. Aves, who are very seasoned actors and actresses on the stage. So I'm glad that I'm part of them and part of the stage as well.
During the initial days, what are the challenges you faced?
My only main challenge was learning the language Konkani very fluently, because since I was born and brought up, my Konkani is a little weak. But as you start, as you involve yourself with them, as you learn the language, you cope up with it. So that was my only initial challenge. Otherwise, acting has always been a passion.
How much support you actors off the stage and on the stage?
Pardon?
Actors, how much support you off the stage and on the stage?
I have to say that our Konkani field, our theatre fraternity, we are like a family.
Mhm.
So even though I was not very well versed with anything, I got a lot, no matter in whosever drama I performed, I've always got a lot of support from all of the artists. Even from my troupe at I Am Sorry, I get a lot of support since my husband Willie Silvera, he's also working with me. So he's my main source of support over there. But I think we Goans, we have that speciality in us. Okay, we always we take each other's help and we go forward. So it's the same way in the theatre fraternity as well.
Ma'am, what are your future plans as of now?
Actually, I'm working. Okay, so I'm a professional banker. But as of now, my future plans is like I'm enjoying my work. I'm enjoying my work at theatre. But I have a dream that through this theatre field only, we grow and we take this art to an international level. Theatre is very well known in Goa, even other parts of India and some parts of the world also where theatre are taken. But we theatrists, the theatre field, we need to take it to an international level. Somewhere it's a great platform where anyone, any individual says, oh my God, that person is from Goa. He used to work in the theatre before and today he's over here. So that would be my dream.
Ma'am, as you said, banker. So, how you manage your time?
I always believe that where there is a will, there is a way. So it's all about time management, and it's all about enjoying your time. When you're at your work, you focus at your work. When at your theatre, you're following your passion. You have to follow your passion wholeheartedly. So that's how I manage.
Whom you had to look for the inspiration?
My inspiration is Lorna. Okay, I look up to her. I think to be where she is today, and if I can even grow a little bit over there, that is my dream. I look up to her. Her life story has been amazing. Even though she's at this level, she's still such an inspiration. Her songs still continue, and there's no artist can beat her, because if there's Goa, like there's Femi, then there's Cashew, and there's Lorna on the music side, and there's Remo, and then we have also Hema Sardesai. So but my first inspiration would be Lorna.
Ma'am, any message for the youngster who willing to pursue the career in this category?
Like as we were previously asked, I think theatre is a very good. It's a very good art. It's very good to follow it as a passion. But no matter what career you choose, I always feel that a human being should have always plan B. So if you don't have your income from here, you have your income from there. But this art should never stop, because we are the Goans, we are the young generation, and we should take it forward. So I believe that of course it is a very good thing to go into theatre field, but also have a job side by side. And it goes the same way, I believe also. Even if you have a job, you can always, your plan B could be theatre, or if your plan A is theatre, then you can have a job.
Madam, one more thing, regional languages on OTT platform are doing well, but still Konkani is left behind. So what do you think about that? What are the main reasons, maybe?
The main reason, again, I will blame us itself. You know, it is us. I believe. I think if we, the youth, now see, when we see, even though I don't know how to talk Konkani so much, still I'm putting my, foot forward to go on the theatre stage. We should not feel shy to go on the theatre stage. Okay, the same way, it is all in us. If we start with these small steps, no, if we have these small steps of doing something for the Goan stage or for the Konkani stage, I'm surely that Konkani, the language of Konkani is not going to fall back anyways.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.